This is the place where you see, set and change all the properties of your objects. This menu is located on the right. Some of the options appear almost every time: object alignment, coordinates, effect, stroked, and some others. Some of them depend on your selection. If you select different kinds of objects, text, frame, shapes, you will see different options over here. For example, I selected text, and as you see, there are some text options. Font family, alignment, color, and some others. All these options are pretty straightforward, but some of them are pretty tricky. They usually are in the frames. They are auto layout, and let's move here. And constraints. We will cover this later, but these two options will allow us to create a lot of banners and to make it easily. As you see, there are two more panels over here. We see the design panel, and there are prototype and inspect panels. Actually, we don't need them, so we won't cover them at all, because both these panels are needed if you want to create a website, a mobile app, and you want to convert your design into code. But we will create banners, so we don't need this, so we will just use the design panel.